We have seen your comments, complaints, and frustrations. Homeowners from Boca Raton to the Treasure Coast and Okeechobee dropped from their insurance companies, or they've seen their bills go up by thousands.
You asked us why, so we are taking an in-depth look at insuring paradise.
It was about a week ago. I got a letter in the mail. Surprise, surprise. I was being canceled. What else can I do? I'm just going to look for the best deal.
Let's break down the increases. According to Florida's Office of Insurance Regulation, it approved 105 rate filings in 2020. Of those, 55 companies were approved for a rate increase greater than 10%. Let's go back and compare that number to 4 years ago when there were only 64 approved filings, and only 6 were for greater than 10%.
And it's not just rate increases. 50,000 homeowners insurance policies are getting dropped across the state by 3 separate insurance companies. WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle Casada dives into this issue and investigates how we got here.
It was the letter Cable Newhouse was dreading.
Surprise, surprise. I was being canceled.
His insurance company, Gulfstream Property and Casualty, is one of 3 major companies dropping 50,000 residential property policies in Florida over the next month. And you can guess who Cable called immediately, his insurance agent.
He came back with a new equivalent policy in terms of coverage, but it was triple the annual premium.
If somebody is calling me with an increase of 20 to 40, 50%, that doesn't surprise me ever.
Lee Wigglesworth is the owner of Wigglesworth Rindom Insurance Agency in Stewart. He says some clients are seeing quotes double or triple depending on their location. How did we get to this point?
That's a short question with a long answer.
As of last year, estimated losses from Hurricane Irma and Michael totaled about $29 billion in claims. The major problem driving up cost of insurance, though, litigation. The downward spiral of the property and casualty insurance market didn't start in the court system, but that's where it's being held up. Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute says, believe it or not, it started at your door.
A roofer comes knocking on your door. Says, we just did your neighbor across the street, beautiful new roof. And guess what? Your neighbor didn't even pay for that beautiful new roof. We could do the same for you.
The policyholder signs what's called an assignment of benefits, or an AOB, over to the roofing company, which basically means now the third party can stand in the shoes of the insured and seek payment directly from the insurance company.
The insurer says, wait a second, this is an outrageous expense. Then the roofer gets together with the attorney, and the attorney files a lawsuit against the insurer. And the policyholder, the homeowner, has no idea this is happening.
According to a report presented to the Florida legislature, in 2019 alone, insurance companies paid nearly $3 billion in lawsuit costs.
These type of frivolous lawsuits are being filed by the thousands.
The report also found that while a significant number of claims filed after storms is driving up costs, about 60% of the lawsuits filed against insurers are unrelated to catastrophes.
You now have insurers that need to take drastic actions to keep operating, really to stay above water, to keep the business running.
Cable feels like he's treading water himself, up against the deadline to get his home insured at an affordable price.
You got to do what you got to do. You have to have your home insured.
Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.
Now, this last legislative session, Florida lawmakers did pass a bill concerning homeowners insurance. So here is how that bill would affect you. If it's signed by the governor, you would only have 2 years to file a claim instead of 3 now. Also, it would make it illegal for a roofing contractor, as you just heard in that last report, to make an advertisement that solicits an insurance claim or to help file a claim. The bill also allows the state-run Citizens Insurance to increase its rates above 10%, even going as high as 15% by 2026. Governor Ron DeSantis has yet to receive this bill and has not said whether he will in fact sign it. The sponsor of the bill, Senator Jeff Brandes, admits more work needs to be done to help homeowners from those increasing costs, saying in part this legislation delayed Armageddon, in his words, but more still needs to be done, specifically relating to roofs and attorneys' fees, end quote. You can read his full statement and learn much more about this bill and the changes. Just go to our website, WPTV.com.
We explored the reason why premiums are going up and what action lawmakers are taking. But what can you do to keep your premium at the reasonable rate? WPTV News Channel 5's Matt Sesney spoke to one man who was able to get a better premium.
It took a lot of legwork to do it.
Steve Epley of Boynton Beach knows firsthand how hard it is to find affordable homeowners insurance.
It takes discipline. Yeah.
He was forced to do it the hard way when earlier this year his insurance company suddenly raised his premiums by nearly $1,000.
Yep.
Steve says he shopped around, contacting 11 different companies until he found what he was looking for.
My rate is almost identical to what I paid last year in 2019, before the rate hike. Yeah.
Getting that kind of result is not easy, according to the state's insurance consumer advocate.
The insurance market is really at a place where it is largely unstable at this point.
Tasha Carter, talking by Zoom from Tallahassee, says companies are raising rates or even canceling policies because of losses from hurricanes. $20 billion in 2017 from Irma and $9 billion a year later from Michael. And also a spike in insurance fraud.
It is worth a consumer reaching out to their insurance agent.
She says shopping around like Steve Epley did is worth a try, along with some other things.
Another option for consumers to consider is reviewing their insurance policy to ensure that they are taking advantage of all of the eligible premium discounts and to ensure that they're not paying for coverage that they don't need.
Strengthening your home can also lead to insurance savings, such as installing impact windows and then having an insurer reinspect the home. And then there is the last resort in Florida insurance, Citizens. They often criticize government-supported insurers.
That's a realistic solution, primarily based upon the fact that I think the most recent statistic that I've read is that Citizens is growing by about 4,000 policies per week. So that means that they are, willing to insure.
Citizens is the last one that I would ever think of.
Steve Epley says he never considered Citizens and says once his house is paid off, he plans to self-insure.
To me, it means I'm just going to take what I normally would pay and I'll invest it in something liquid that I can get at if I need it. So I'll put it away, because I just don't have faith in insurance companies.
The state's insurance consumer advocate says self-insuring, while gaining in popularity, can also be risky, especially, she says, in the event of a destructive hurricane, which can drive repair and replacement costs very high. In West Palm Beach, Matt Sesney, WPTV, News Channel 5.
Well, what exactly is Citizens? It was created by the Florida legislature in 2002 to help people who are in good faith and can't get coverage through private companies. But Citizens allocates 73 cents of every premium dollar to paying claims. And some worry that if there's a devastating storm, that company may not have enough to pay all the claims. Right now, Citizens has close to 600,000 policies, and leaders expect that to be 700,000 by the end of the year.
So what can you do right now to learn more about your bill and some other ways to save? Our coverage does continue next. The resources available to help you make an informed purchase. If you're waiting for your homeowner's insurance renewal, you are probably wondering whether your bill will increase. And as we said, the Office of Insurance Regulation approved 105 rate increases, including 55 that were greater than 10%. Some of the highest requested rate increases included a 31% rate increase for Southern Fidelity Insurance and a 26% increase for Capital Preferred.
I'm Tanya Rogers. The state has a tool to help you compare prices. Homeowners insurance prices vary based on several factors, but this tool can give you sample average rate. Now, in our example, we selected a $300,000 value home in Palm Beach County. The range of insurance prices range from $3,200 to nearly $10,000. We put a link to this comparison tool and want to find out if your company was approved a rate hike on our website.